Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing something a little bit different. We're reviewing a product for my wife. She's been begging me to review it because I wanted to review it for the channel before she used it, and it's been here about 2 weeks now, so finally getting pushed around to it. And it is a Cosori, I do apologise, the dog's chasing his tail, a Cosori Smart Nutrition Scale. Now, she got this from TikTok. I don't use TikTok. I spend enough on Temu and AliExpress. Coop, pack it in. Trying to film a masterpiece here, boy. God. Yeah, right. So this is, I've lost my train of thought. This is a smart kitchen scale, nutrition scale, that you can link to your smartphone and you can put food on it or weigh anything, ingredients, you know, whatever you're having for your meals, and you scan a barcode on the product and it probably won't do everything, but it should do a majority of things, where it will then tell you the calories, the fat intake, the protein, you know, everything, sugars, everything you'd need to know if you're looking to eat a bit healthier or a balanced diet, or you're needing to cut down on a certain, you know, sugar out of your diet, or fat down, or, you know, whatever. This will tell you that. Now, I don't really know much about it. I've had a quick look online, so let's explore this together. Obviously, you get your box, which is actually, you know, it looks quite nice. Well, it says Bluetooth technology, nutrition diary feature, extensive food database, sleek design, connect to VSync. You do have to download an app called VSync to your phone. I have already downloaded it, but I've not linked it yet. So let's open it up. I think she's already had a look because it's not sealed. I don't know if it came like that. Okay, in the box you get quick start guide, and you get some A's and B's. Okay, what have we got? Not quite sure why, but as you can see, there are A's and B's on the corners. Strange. You also get a join the Cosori, I don't know how to pronounce that, but Cosori family. So, and it comes with a 2-year warranty. So that's good to know. Okay, so what? Oh, okay. Really don't see the point of it. Maybe it's just to keep it from opening in the box. I don't know. But anyway, they can come off. A's and B's, C's and D's. That can go. Oh, that can go over there. Still not organised. Let's open this up and have a look. You ready for the big reveal? So, okay. Actually looks quite nice. It looks like brushed aluminium, but that feels plastic. It might be a brushed aluminium and then a plastic coating, because obviously food, or it might just be plastic that's designed to look like, not sure. Let's put it down. Okay, so yeah, set to 0. Let's get some food. See what this thing does, eh? Okay, so got a small selection of food items, from a couple from the fridge, cupboard, bread, breakfast, you know, crap. Some mini cucumbers, and just I want to see, some of these things are from like companies that are reasonably not, well, I don't know how new they are, but Flour and White. My wife started buying these meringue bars, which are actually really good. I want to see if it will know the ingredients or the nutrition to that. So let's get started. power on, and let's link up the app. Where is it? Device is connected, so we are now connected. Finish. Okay, so you can set your daily calorie goal. So if we do, say, 1800, I'm just going to set this up quickly. Connect Fitbit. No, we don't have a Fitbit. Okay, so we're going to do weigh-in, and we're going to do breakfast. And right, let's see if it can do one of these. So I believe you hit that one. Yes. Whoops, I don't need to do it. I need this time. See, it's come up. Panel chocolate. And if we just then put this, I know it's in the packet, but right, it says 45 grams, and that gives you. It comes up on both actually, but it comes up. The screen on here is really good. I will actually just take a picture, and I'll get this put in, and then you can freeze it. So yeah, you've got 193 calories. Calories from fat, 89.1. Now what does it say on the actual amount per one? Is 188 calories. Now don't forget it is in the wrapper, so that wrapper's going to weigh a fraction, so it is going to change it slightly. Total fat 9.9 grams, 9.3 grams. You know what? It's all for science, and I can eat that in a minute. And it's exactly the same, 45 grams. So yeah, these are going to weigh slightly different. You know, no two are going to be exactly the same, I would think. So that makes absolutely no difference. Put that there. So yeah, that seems to be pretty good actually. Let's try. We will eat that in a minute, or we'll give it to my son when he gets up. He can eat that. Let's try something else. I want to try one of these little cucumbers. So again, we go back, or we go add food, scan. Oh, we're using it. Can it do this? Yes it can, cucumber. Now these are baby cucumber. So these are just little baby cucumbers. And let's see. 37 grams. And wow, so calories 3.7, and then fat, cholesterol, sodium, potassium all 0, carbs 0.6 grams, protein 0.2 grams. So these, you know, you probably burn a lot more calories eating one of these than you will from what you get after you've had it. That's, wow. I suppose they are mainly water. Cucumbers are high in water content, so. Okay, so yes, it can do a cucumber. Now what I want to know is, while my phone keeps switching off, go back, we want to scan another snack, see if it can do this. I don't think it will. Wow, it did. Chocolate dip strawberry, meringue bar, yep, it did. Okay, now again, I'm not gonna take this out because it's a waste. So it is going to be slightly heavier because of the pack, but it says 25 grams, 104 calories, it says 94 on the packet. It gives you your calories from fat, it gives you your total fat content, your saturated fat, you've got carbs, sugars, dietary fibre, protein, and then trans fat, cholesterol. It also lists, even if there's nothing, and it's like 0 for trans fat, cholesterol, sodium and potassium, all 0. So yeah, I'm actually impressed it could do that one. I didn't think it would. Let's try kiwi. So, can I, oh yeah, of course I can still scan. So, scan that. It really is as simple as that. You scan the barcode on the packet and it instantly comes up kiwi. So then we pop that on. 94 calories, instantly comes up here as well. Sorry, 94 grams. 51 calories, 4.5 calories from fat. Total fat, half a gram. There's fat in a kiwi. I didn't know that. So you learn something. Saturated fat, 0.1 grams. Sodium, nearly 4 grams. Sorry, milligrams. Milligrams. Micrograms? Milligrams? One or the other. MGs. Total carbs, 10. Sugars, 9.7 grams. Protein, 1 gram. So there's actually protein in kiwis. Again, I didn't know that. Yeah, this thing actually seems pretty legit. I was going to do the bread, but I don't think I need to now, because I brought the bread over because I honestly thought it wouldn't do some of these, but it seems to be sort of happily scanning everything I've asked for it. We don't need to do a tomato, but I do want to do some ham. So what we'll do is we'll pop that on now. Big happy. Reset it to 0. And then we're going to put on a nice 68 grams of ham. Let's see if it can do this. We're going to keep it as a snack, because technically it's not a snack, is it? But I don't know, you can eat ham as a snack. Can it do it? Yes it can. British, easy for you to say, mate. British honey roast ham. And so that 68 grams gives you 78 calories. You know what, let's take a picture. We'll take a picture of that as well. Just so you can see. Obviously if there's any vegetarians, vegans, I do apologise. I didn't think of that. But we are meat eaters in this house. Yeah. But anyway. So, 78 calories. That's not a lot of calories then. Ham isn't that high in calories. 18 calories from fat. Total fat, 2 grams. Sodium though is 149 milligrams. Micrograms. Again, I've got to find out what. If you know what mg stands for, please let me know, because I don't know. Is it milligrams or micrograms? Please let me know in the comments, because that's going to really bug me, and probably bug you. And 15 grams of protein, so it's got a decent amount of protein. Yeah, this actually seems to work really well. Now obviously, well, that's going in my sandwich in a minute, which is why I've put it on a plate, because I've got to make my lunch for work. So what do I think? Initial thoughts of this Cosori Smart Nutrition Scale. It seems pretty good. It feels well made. It looks pretty premium. And obviously the amount of information it gives you. If you are on any kind of if you're looking for any kind of help when it comes to not necessarily dieting, I don't like that word, but you know, watching what you eat, being a little bit more careful, or if you just want to cut down on certain things, as I say, if you want to cut down on your fat content, your sugar content, or if you're looking for a high protein diet, this could actually help you. I mean, there's information on everything you buy, but it's working it out, because it will usually say per 100 grams or per serving, which might be 57 grams, but you might be having half of that, which is easy, you halve it. But what if you're only having a third of it, or what if you're having 1.5? Then it can get a bit confusing, and people haven't got time these days. Everyone is so busy, you just haven't got time. So this will make it simpler, and once you've done it, it seems to save that in the phone. So you don't have to scan it every time. You don't have to, every time you make yourself a ham sandwich or a cheese sandwich, you don't have to weigh the cheese, you don't have to weigh the bread. Once you've put it in there, it stays in the phone, it stays in the app. So you can just select it. Oh, you're having that sandwich again today, I'll select that. And it will give you your running calorie data for that day, and all the other information. So yeah, if you're looking for a little bit of help, or if you're looking for a little bit of help to work out what you are actually putting in your body, calorie wise, no, just food wise, people, food wise, then yeah, this could be for you. This, I believe my wife said, was about £30. I will get the price off her, and I will put it up. And as I say, this was bought from TikTok Shop. I don't do TikTok Shop. mainly because I can't say it. But yeah, she buys a lot from TikTok, and this seems like a pretty good purchase. So if you're looking for one of these, yeah, get yourself down there on the old TikTok shop. You can't actually get down there because I don't have a physical store, but you know what I mean. And grab yourself one of these. Actually, we will give that a wipe over before we put it in the box, and then we can give it to the wife and say I've finally done the video. That's if I've hit record, which I didn't the other day, but you know, let's not go there. Anyway, that does it for this. It's just a quick review video. If this is something that you've enjoyed or found a bit useful, bit of information that you've got out of it, please hit that like button. Please hit the subscribe button. So with that, it's time to say goodbye for now. We will be back soon with another, probably the next video will be an unboxing video, and yeah, a few good things coming up. There's going to be some more reviews, definitely reviewing the drones, and yeah, I guess I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.